Before diving into job applications, take a moment to define your career goals. Ask yourself, what type of job excites you? Which industries align with your skills and interests? Setting a clear direction helps you focus your search. Your resume is your first impression. Tailor it to highlight the experiences and skills that make you the perfect candidate. Use a clean layout and emphasize accomplishments that match the job requirements. There are multiple resources available if you need assistance. I recommend going to a local job recruitment center, or if you're a student, speak to your guidance counselor for advice. A personalized cover letter can set you apart. Address it to the hiring manager if possible, and explain why you're passionate about the role and how your experience fits perfectly. Now, it's time to find opportunities. Explore job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. But don't forget to check company websites for positions that might not be widely advertised. Carefully review each job description. Look for keywords and qualifications that stand out. These details are your guide to tailoring your application and understanding the employer's priorities. A one-size-fits-all approach won't cut it. Customize your resume and cover letter for each job to showcase your most relevant skills and experiences. Employers want to know you've done your homework. Follow the application instructions carefully. Attach all required documents, double-check for errors, and hit submit. This step marks your official entry into the selection process. Stay organized by tracking your applications. If you don't hear back within a week or two, consider sending a polite follow-up email to express your continued interest. I personally have followed up on some applications in person. This shows sincere interest and may make you stand out in some situations as a top-tier candidate. Make sure, however, if you reach out in person to be as professional and polite as possible, no matter what. This interaction could be a make or break scenario for your success. Congratulations! If you're called for an interview, preparation is key. Research the company, practice answering common questions, and prepare thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer. On interview day, dress professionally and arrive on time. During the interview, communicate your skills clearly and demonstrate enthusiasm for the role. After the interview, send a thank you email to your interviewer. Express your gratitude for the opportunity and reiterate why you're excited about the role. If you receive an offer, take the time to evaluate it. Consider the salary, benefits, and work conditions. Don't hesitate to negotiate if needed, ensuring the job aligns with your career goals. Starting a new job is an exciting milestone. Prepare for your first day, be proactive, and set goals to make a strong impression. Your journey has just begun. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to landing your dream job. Good luck.